Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. The accessory has power, and the host's Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, remove the old pairing entry by choosing Forget this device so cached keys won't conflict. Then restart both units to clear transient states. This helps because many pairing failures come from leftover profiles. Make sure the accessory is put into its explicit pairing or discoverable mode now, and keep them within a few feet so initial exchange is reliable. You now perform the active pairing step. Open Bluetooth settings on the host and scan for nearby devices, then select the exact device name. Next, follow the on-screen authentication method. Enter the PIN, accept the pairing request, or confirm the displayed passkey, because authentication verifies identities and secures the link. While pairing, avoid launching other Bluetooth utilities or toggling radios. Interference can abort the exchange. Once the system reports connected, allow a few seconds for profile negotiation before using the device. You finish by verifying the expected profiles are active, audio, keyboard, or file transfer, so the device functions correctly. If pairing still fails, try unpairing and repeating the process, or reset network/Bluetooth settings on the host to clear deeper cache. This often fixes stubborn mismatches. Also check for firmware updates and confirm Bluetooth version compatibility, because older stacks sometimes refuse new secure pairing methods. If nothing works, reboot both devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.